Hello friends, this is Swagatika Tripathi Mahapatra and this is my May 2021 flip through May journal. So I am using a natural journal as a diary to keep my all records and documents with memories and lessons which I have in a month. So month wise I was doing that, and this is my flip through May 2021 journal, and this is, you can see, this was my um, previous journal, which is volume 2 Swag Festoon. You can follow me on Instagram, which is my journal Swag Festoon, and this is volume 2 of the March and April of the month, and the diary is about to end, and the diary ends with many more memories and many more updates. And this is March and this is April, so I have already documented each and every day of March and April, and in these 2 months my birthday was there, and so many occurrences are there, so many observations are there, so many celebrations are there. So this is my true heart filling quotes that I have wrote here, and this is the pics of my before marriage pics, and I have posted here because these are the memories and I have to document it in a diary, and this is the documentation, and I have already wrote some quotes and some heart-filling sayings here, and this is the March April month, and from here I have started some calligraphy writings, some calligraphy letters, and this is the calligraphy letterings, and some quotes I have started to write here, so you can see the letter writings which I have so many impressed and inspired from Abiding Kesley, and this is the letterings I have easily do by inspired by Abiding Kesley, and thank you Kesley for your so many inspirable motivational videos about journal, and thank you so much. And this is the letterings which I have practiced here, and this is my so many drawings which I have it in my abiding journal, and this is the letterings I have posted here. You can see I have already posted this video also, you can see in my previous videos also, and these are the so many my just roughly added drawings and quotes with brass pens and sketch pens, with color pens, and some blooming pens, some ink pens. So you can see this is going on and going on, and because of this diary, this journal is about to end, and some uh, defect is there in this journal, in this diary, so I have self documented on a next diary in a another in another diary, and this is my next another diary for my journal and documentation and my diary recovering. So this is the census, the diary, my daily planner notebook. And welcome to my world, which I have started from somehow March, to cover some daily planner, daily to-do list, and what I have done today. So this is from March, but this is a junk journal from April 14th. And April 14th, this is going on, and I have documented some my day-to-day life, my memories, and what I have get any lesson. And this is the April month. I have already in the flip through videos, and this is the miraculed May, which I have not shown you. And this is the flip through of month of May 2021, and this is the miracle May. I have named some the months to according to me. I have named every month according to me. So this May is miracle May for me, to to anything, to let it go, and to forgive anyone, and to do any good things, and to get any lessons, and to give anything to everyone with full of hearts, full of love, full of forgiveness, full of gratitude. And this is continuing, and having all the gratitude phrases, gratitude lessons, gratitude numbers. And you have to gratitude anyone in any day. So you have can take it a challenge for 31 days or 30 days for gratitude, to gratitude anything that I have my life to gratitude. I have grateful for getting this life. I have grateful to God to getting this life. I have grateful to my parents to give me this life. I'm grateful to my sister to love me this type. I am grateful for my husband to give me this type of love and occurrences, this type of so many things you have to gratitude. And gratitude journal is great for manifestations, and manifestation in life and gratitude in life is necessary. So this journal I have already used my daily journal as gratitude journal, and I have gratitude every day to God, to anyone, to anything as I have, and grateful for I am. And this May is I have named as Miracle May. So hope all will be well and safe always. God bless all, and hope all will get a nice reward. I always gratitude for a reward, to get in a reward, not to punish anyone. If you are gratitude or grateful for a reward, then you will get reward. If you pray for a punishment, to punish anyone, to anything punish, then you have to punish. So a thing is going on in the world, in the universe, what we are throwing through, we are getting to also. So we have to gratitude for a reward. And this is the miracle May 2021, and to love everyone. This, see the love. This I have this from greeting cards, and I have this all for making this journal so wonderful, so beautiful to decorate. And I have so this you can see this my drawing, so many printings I have. I am not a painter, I am not a painter and artist, any nothing, but I am trying. As I am I was a painter in my school days, so I am trying this these days to get in. So many things are going in my mind, and I was in depression, so I am started this painting to my time management, to a time pass as a habit, to relax my mind, to decorate my journal, and to relax my mind, to get rid of my depression and anxiety. And this is the painting have an evergreen May. And the evergreen is the word which shows us the evergreen means ever wild and very good, very nice, every time nice feeling. And this is I have manifested as me, and the manifesting me is my this I have what I have manifested here. And this I have ordered some burger and some, it is like a envelope, and I have it. If I have any document or any letters or um, anything, and that may be very small, I can here I can put it here in the envelope. Okay. And this is the to-do list for the month of May, and the goal tracker for the month of May. And this is the mood tracker which I have not finished yet, because I have a little baby, and the 8 months baby was so naughty, and I have continuing my MBA, master in business administration. And the online classes are going on, and my baby is very naughty and very um, so many things are going on in my life, so I have no time to continue this with my daily life tracker. And the mood tracker is always my in busy life, and sometimes chill pill, sometimes in depression mode. To overread of depression, I have to manifest. I have some paintings, I have some manifestations so as to law of attraction. And these are the things which I have get rid from the depression and anxiety. And this is the May calendar, and you can see the days, and the numbers are sometimes in this type of letterings and this type of decorations. And my brother's birthday is May 12th, and I I went to my in-laws house, my house in Pipli, to for some for to stay and for some reason. But in after some days, I want to get to the my parents' house for vaccination, and I am here, and I continue my journal to having for having this. And this is the May calendar, and my in-laws anniversary as in the May 27th. And to I have to celebrate, I have to congratulate them. So I have recorded in this calendar. Every month has a calendar, and you have to use that calendar in proper way. the 1st May, and you can see my decorations with my some paper cuttings, some printouts, and some paintings, some letterings. And this is my daily activities. This is the 1st May, and the 2nd May is also with white pen, which we can say the white ball pen, white ink pen. And I have decorated this with nothing. 2nd May is nothing. 3rd May, which I have to go to my in-laws house. So went from my parents house to my in-laws house, and my baby, my tungulu, is ill from that day. And you can imagine, if a baby is ill, then his or her mother is how much impatient, how much responsible for that. And I have to care for him. And so I can't record and have my daily journal in a proper way, but I have decorated already from before some days. So this paintings is so nice, and I have created from copying and seeing from any painter. And this is my baby and me. And the cozy day, the crazy day is going on, as his health condition is not good, and he has so temper, and have a very high fever. So I have to I have already decorated this, so I have to write some, and very small words. And this is the 4th May, and this is my coated paintings, and this is my flower painting with lips. And this is the 5th May, and you can see God helps those who help themselves. And this is the sticker which I have posted here. And you can see my sister-in-law's anniversary in 6th May, and I have to congratulate her, and I have to manifest for her, and to love her, to gratitude to have her in my life. So I have to call her. And this is my in-law, sister-in-law. Okay, the power of our subconscious mind is a book. And I have some lines which I have in my life, so decoratively, so anxiously. So I have to write those lines in my daily journal, and which I have already posted in my Insta, named Journal Swag Festoon. The lines are very mindful, and you have to listen, you have to read carefully, and this will be helpful in everybody and each and everyone's life. Okay, this is the lines of power of your subconscious mind. And this is the 7th May 2021's my painting, which I have surprisingly see in Abiding Kesley's documentation, which is very surprising for me. And thank you so much for Abiding Kesley to adding my my some paintings and some writings on your documentation. And thank you so much. I have created this to by seeing from any painter, and painting this in my journal, daily journal. And that day is so special for me, because my baby's health condition is increasingly slowly increasing, and in the increasing mode enhance me so deeply, and very surprisingly help me to get through in my journal and my study. Okay, and um, I have to record my financial journal also. I have used this daily journal for everything: gratitude journal, financial journal, daily planner, daily journal, everything. Because if I will search for anything, then I will get it very easily and in one way, in one thing. Okay, the then in next day, 8 May, the my baby's health condition is um, so much unhealthy that he is again in high fever. So I was not good in good mood. My mood is so much cozy because of my so much so much included my so much depression, so much anxiety, and so much tensions about the health of my baby. Okay, so this is the tough days of May, and 10th May. Today also knows no also he has no good health also till this day. Okay, and 11th May, you can see the paintings, and this is my hand paintings with some colors. I am using camelin and artistic Faber-Castell colors with paint brushes, and this is the colors, and this is my paintings. And see, I have no time to journal, so I have already adding 3 days in one page. You can consider me, you can imagine how was my condition for my baby's health. Okay, and you can see from 14th to 19 May I have documented in 2 pages, but you can't imagine I have already documented my each and every day with 1 or 2 pages, which I have in only 2 pages, and this 14 to 19 May. And sense you can sense my mind condition. I have no relaxation, but I have to document it, so I have documented. But you, if you are doing journal, then do it in your relaxed time, in your relaxed mind. Okay, and this page is very precious, and I am surprised to see these pages in the Abiding Cashless documentation. And thank you, Abiding Cashless, for this adding in your documentation in June. Okay, this is 20th May, and I have using this pink fountain pen, and this is my period days and happy period for me, and so many bad health conditions are going in my mind in my days. And I am here, I am in my parents house in those days, and my baby is good now, but my health condition is very bad for in period. And the period conditions are not saying by mouth, and every lady, every girl can understand in these period conditions. And the 21st May, and I have some love you zindagi, love your life, want to change myself. So many things are in my mind, in my life, and I have to change those things. I want to change myself, and those are, anyone can say anything, can angry on me, can irritate on me, can scold me badly, can misbehave me, but I have to maintain my clear and calm personality ever. I should be calm in every situation and should not be reactive, talkative on every situation, and I should maintain my polished personality on each and every situation. I should do it for my baby. My baby's names are this, and my for my baby. And this is the gratitude I have in 22nd May. And no, 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 this is 21st May's gratitude for some gratefulness to someone to give me the sense of writing, the sense of having myself from the depression and anxiety. And this is the 22nd May. I am traveling from my parents' house to my in-laws house, or from in-laws house to my parents' house. So many things are there, and so many bags are there, so many packages are there, so many trolleys are there. But my husband is so angry on me, so I have to list it some things which I have used in traveling, and I have to pack small bags, my baby's bag and for my own bag, and two bags are ever ready for me. And this is the 22nd May 2021, and this is the 23rd May, 24th May, and 24th May. I have written what is good, what is bad, and the precautions are going on, which I want to have in my life, and some caring things, some self-care, some resolutions which I have to in my life. Okay, and this is the 25th May 2021, and my baby is 8 months old, 7 months old, and this is the 7 months picture, my baby with me. And I am saying to you in my video, I love you, Tungulu, I love you, my baby, and I have you. I am grateful for that to God. I am grateful to have you, and have a healthy and safe future, and healthy and safe, and for now also, that day also, in happy Nursingha Chaturdasi, which we are celebrating in Odiyas, especially I am celebrating because I have that I have worshipped him, because of that God is worshipped in my parents' house and my in-laws' house also. So I have worshipped. I have my in my mind this all. Okay, and this 26th May and 27th May, 28th May, 29th, you can see 26 to 30 in 2 pages. So you can imagine how I am busy those days. I have no time to write my journal, my daily planner, my daily life, because of I have to write. So I am writing in 2 lines or in 1 line, and I am busy because of my baby's care, and my online classes. And this is the inspirational tips from some YouTubers, from some motivational speakers. And this is the 31st May, the Monday, when the May month is increasingly ended. And this is the quotes what I have in my mind. जाने वाले पल आते नहीं, और आने वाले पल चले जाता है, और whatever ended, I have listened something from that, and I have some memories from that, and I have some resolutions for future, for coming month, for anything is coming in my life generally in future. Okay, this is for May month, and the May month is ended up 2021, and the memories and the lessons are forever. And the letters for May 2021 memories is this envelope is empty, and I will pull this with my letters soon, and I will sure flip through this month's letters. Okay, and the memories and the lessons, and I have this paper, the gift wrapping paper, to decorate this my journal. And this is the May 2021 memories in this envelope, which is also empty, and I will pull this and the lessons from May 2021. So in this envelope and this page, I have ended May 2021, which I will show you in my next video with my full of letters, full of lessons, full of memories, and full of my heart feeling things. Okay, thank you so much. And the June month is starting now. The gratitude letters and manifestation wishes in this envelope. You can see I have doing this envelope for gratitude letters and manifestation wishes in this gift wrapping paper. And this is the place to write something gratitude also. And the June month is started, and I have see this what I have the secret for June, and the secret for June, and this love symbols as balloons. And I have this, I want to have this. Okay, and the financial accounting in this envelope, and the resolutions, and the 1st June already started. I will show you in my next videos, in my future videos in June journal, June 2021 journal. And this is ended my flip through May 2021 journal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment. Your comments are necessary for me. Please be kind and be social for everyone, for yourself also. Self care is needed for each and everyone also. Thank you.